Hello, my name is Imad Puda. I'm an immigration attorney with Vasquez and Puda located in Orlando, Florida. I am board certified in immigration and nationality law by the Florida Bar. And I'm going to explain to you how to get an O-1 visa for the United States. The O-1 visa has two types. One is what's called the O-1A, which is reserved for individuals who have extraordinary ability in the sciences, education, business, or athletics. And the O-1B, which is for individuals who have extraordinary ability in the arts or extraordinary achievement in motion picture or television industry. Those individuals are coming to work in their field of expertise in the United States via an employer or agent or sponsor. So they do vary based on which category you fall under. So if it's for O-1A or O-1B. But essentially, if you have received a major award of national or international nature, you may qualify just based on this criteria alone. Now, if you do not have either a receipt of an award or prize, or if it's O-1B, if you've not been nominated or received that prize or award, you will have to meet 3 additional criteria for each category. And generally, people will qualify if, let's say, they have publications written about them in major media and talking also about their work. They have worked for major distinguished organizations and had a critical role for those organizations. They've performed and will perform in leading events with a critical role for distinguished organizations. They've had high salary or remunerations in their field of expertise. They've published scholarly articles, or they are the originator of major business contributions. So there are several criteria that are listed in the regulations that can be met. So this type of visa does require an actual sponsor, which can either be a direct employer, such as a U.S. company, or an agent, which is either the employer or a representative of the individual's foreign employer, or multiple employers in the United States. Now, it is common for the foreign national to have ownership in the company that is sponsoring the individual. So it is a 2-step process. The first step will require the filing of a petition with the Immigration Service, USCIS, and that petition can either be filed premium processing or regular processing. The premium processing option will allow the petitioner to get a response from immigration within 15 days, either an initial action in the form of an approval or request for evidence. Once the petition is approved, you will have to file for your visa at the U.S. Consulate abroad or for a change of status in the United States. The dependents will get an O-3 visa, so spouses of the foreign national or children or children under 21 years old. So the O-3 visa allows the spouse and children to actually study in the United States, but not to work or receive a social security number. Now, the approval rate for O-1 visas are pretty high, and the great thing is there are no limits on the number of visas that are issued per year, unlike certain other visas. And the initial visa will be granted generally for 3 years, as long as the itinerary or the employment contract shows a validity of 3 years, and the renewals are done on a 1-year basis indefinitely, or if the individual gets a new employer, he will get an additional 3 years every time. We do have a lot of expertise in building cases, in building the record for an O-1 visa with USCIS. We know what level of evidence is required to get your case approved. And therefore, hiring VP Immigration will increase your chances of getting your visa approved. We also have quite a bit of experience responding to requests for evidence on such type of cases. And though the O-1 visa does not lead to permanent residence, as there are several other criteria that the person needs to meet to qualify for the green card based on extraordinary ability, there are very similar criteria indeed. Again, if you think you may be eligible for an O-1 visa or a green card based on your extraordinary ability, you're welcome to contact our office to schedule a consultation and speak with one of us. And by calling at 407-674-6968. Thank you.